Hello everyone and welcome back to Bruv Code, and in this video this is what we're going to be making. So here we have this little Kivy app. So when we press this button it plays a sound. So basically in this tutorial we're going to be learning about Kivy sounds. Now as you can see on my screen I'm in a very small Python file. Now for the sounds you need to have your own sound. Mine here is called sound.mp3 and I have my.kv. So make sure yours is called my.kv so matches the app class called my app. Otherwise, if you've called your kv file different and it's not matching your app class, it may not work. So we can close this file manager since we don't need it. And now let's start working. Now we need to create a new sound player class which will allow us to play sounds. So for the sound player we used for the sound player I showed you earlier, we used this import. So from kivy.core, the audio import sound loader. And sound loader is a class inside Kivy core audio, which allows to load sounds. Okay. Now we have also import box layout because we also need the box layout for class inheritance for the sound player. Given class sound player inherits from box layout. Now type in def. Oh, sorry, we don't have to manage that now. And otherwise, we just want to return sound player. So let's go inside my.kv and configure the things we need for our app. Now here, add your angled brackets and type in sound player, which is the name of our class. And now here we just want to say button because the button I showed you earlier, I used it from the KV file, so I didn't have to use another import. Now set the text play and for earlier and for later we just want to say on s equals root function for now. Now let's go into tutorial or your Python file, whatever. Now we need to define that method, so type in def play scout sound self say sound equals sound loader.load. Type in the name of your mp3 file, which in my case is sound.mp3, and I'll say if sound. We can just see sound.play. Now let's go into our KV file. Instead of having to say function, we can just say play sound, which will allow us to play our sound. So this is clearly all the logic we need for this Python file. We can actually now run our program to see how it looks. As you can see, we get our button in our app. So if we click it, it will play the sound. Now the cool thing about this, you can also add a volume. So which means you can just adjust the volume wherever you want. Say sound the volume. Type in sound of volume for the volume. So you can have any volume option. You can use 0.8, which is 80%, the 0.1, which is 10%, and 0.5, which is 10%. Make sure these are decimal numbers. Otherwise, if you just enter 1 without 0, it's not going to work. So 0.5 is 50, as I mentioned earlier. So if we run it, it plays at 50% volume. Now if I play at 0.1, I just need to turn on my volume on my PC, run it, and the volume has been lowered down since we are at 10% volume. So this is pretty much it for this tutorial. So thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial quite useful, then a like would be appreciated. It really does help me out. And subscribe now and hit the bell so you miss some future videos. In our next video, I'll be showing you how you can use Kivy Recycle View, so which means you'll be able to scroll through in your app. So subscribe so you miss some of that. And without being said, that's it from today. Cheers and goodbye.